Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am doing an art journal page. I'm working on using up my little pieces of paper that I've got collected and trying to fill this journal. So this time I am using purple. If you've been watching, you know I've been kind of hooked on my phthalo turquoise paint, but I thought I would divert and go for a different color. And yeah, just using up my scraps, and we'll see what we come up with. So I had this heart that's been floating around and figured this would be the perfect place to use it. But once I get it on there, I decide I have to have other hearts. So I just draw them in a ballpoint pen around. Now the color, I tried to think about the colors I was using, and my initial idea was to go for a split complementary. So since the background was purple, I was going sort of for an orange and green. So I picked out orange and green bits of paper from my stash. So now I'm adding kind of a mustardy yellow. I don't know what I was thinking. Because I really don't like it. I mean, yellow is the complementary of purple. And, okay, what I end up with isn't too bad. Like, I end up with a little bit of yellow here and there. But those yellow circles that I made, they're going to disappear. Alright, so I'm going to add some purple around the edges. Try to make everything look like it belongs rather than just all this stuff stuck on the page. At least that's my goal. Alright, so once I do that, I decide to go around the heart with just some black acrylic paint. And this is a stiff brush. It's probably not the best one to use as a outline brush. But it works okay. So yeah, I poured a little too much of that on there. Whoops. So this next part, I took a book page and cut the words into strips, and I'm just gluing them on. They're not really meant to make sense. They were all part of the same page, but they're not in any kind of order. I just went around and said, okay, I want a long one here, a short one here. So if they make sense to you, that's great. But I was just mainly using it as a design element. I know you can't see the bottom of this very well, but that green just was out of place, so I covered it up. So all of my green's gone. So much for that split complementary. I hope you liked this page. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're not already a subscriber and you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.